All right, we got the wheels here. What is the process?
Today, for this video, we're finally rebuilding these wheels. The lips are not in yet, but they'll be in at the end of the week, so we're getting them cut and ready to be assembled for as soon as the lips arrive. So, the current specs of these are 19 by 8 and 19 by 9, both plus 37, low disc up front, super low in the back. The 2 1/4 inch lips up front, 3 1/4 in the back, so 5 3/4 barrel all the way around. I'm getting 4-inch lips for the front, 5-inch in the back. I'm going to be painting the faces the same color as the car, and the specs after they're built should be 19 by 9 3/4, 19 by 10 3/4, -7 all the way around if my math is correct on the offset. I could be like 1 or 2 millimeters off on that. But first we're going to be taking the tires off, and then we're going to have to cut the lips off since they're still originally welded. These are full original Vienna Courages, not ever rebuilt, so I'm going to be the one to do it.
Have they seen this shit?
No. I'm on Gentry's wheels. These wheels were on this car forever ago when I first got it.
But now they're back on.
They're back on just temporarily until those are done being rebuilt. These are 18, that's why they look a little small. But they're 9.5 wides, and they still tuck. 9.5 wide plus 15.
I just had to get it on camera because it looks good. One done.
One of the rears tire off, and I'm gonna peel back the silicone. You can see the weld we're gonna have to cut. There's a certain strategy to it because we're gonna be reusing these barrels, so I don't want to damage these. So I'm gonna do it slightly more to the lip side and angled towards the lip, just a little bit. You kind of see that there's a little hip up right where I'm gonna be cutting.
Oh, the rear. Let's see.
Like 2 inches more than that.
2. 3 1/4 inch lip going to 5-inch lip. What's up?
You know what really grinds my gears? Is when motherfuckers say, oh, I can't afford 3 pieces, I can't afford real wheels, and then go and buy like a full set of like brand new wheels with tires off of Fitment Industries. When like the whole purpose of these shits is you buy them the wrong size and spec for cheap, and then you fucking rebuild them to be way better than any fucking rep wheel will ever be.
Factual.
All in, I'm barely spending more than you'll spend
Fine and
on
brand.
Fitment Industries.
Yeah.
You gotta fucking put in the effort and find the right deal. Tires are off, and we're about to pop the faces out. But with all of them off, you can see all the silicone on them and the weld behind it. I have to pick off all the silicone and then cut that weld. And then we're gonna sandblast the faces, repaint those. By then, hopefully the lips will be in so we can just assemble.
The process is taking this one out right now. Both of these are out.
I've got
2 more.
4 more.
He's got 4 more until we can start working on the other bolts together. How many is it per wheel?
24 on the front, and then there's 5 per spoke on the back.
So 24 in the front, like 25 on the back. So it's like damn near 50 bolts on each one.
One hit.
1 hit. Oh. Show the people. There you go, folks. That easy.
It's a rear. One more. Just one more front. Watch this wind up.
Oh, it's like almost out. It's like this side right here. So.
No, that's fine. Hold on. Yeah. Go again.
Hold on.
Put it in. Put it in.
Hold on. I see the problem.
What is it? Is there a bolt? Shit!
We're all out, so now it's time to sandblast and cut.
Just gotta get the silicone off one more. Then I can start cutting. They're off those three. Sandblast.
Woo! Yeah, this one came out super good. I could like, there's still a lot more spots, but like the main faces of the spokes came out how they should. So, before, after.
All right, got all the silicone off all four. I'm about to start cutting. And now that I'm about to start cutting, I have a clean weld here to show you. I want to show you how I'm going to be cutting this with the angle grinder. So you can see, oh, there's it's just a divot. So I'm going to do it slightly closer up on the lip side and slightly angled out up towards the lip.
The adventure begins.
All right, so this cutting wheel that I've been using has not been cutting it nearly as well as I hoped, and it's just a generic metal 3-inch cutting blade. I really should use an aluminum one, but no place around me has one that I can buy, like literally nowhere. So I'm kind of screwed. It's cutting it is just taking so fucking long. Like we were at this one for a couple hours yesterday. That's the only spot where it went all the way through. So, we're just gonna keep going at it. The faces are mostly sandblasted, 3 of them. Might hit a couple spots on that one again. But the worst face out of all of them, Cooper's sandblasting right now. So I'll go show you that actually.
Remember.
I'm around.
Step 1.
I don't know.
Final. This is the final. Rubber paint clear. We definitely have to just move that. We'll just grab the rack and move it up next to the car while while we're moving them to dry. Yeah.
Okay, we're in the middle of cutting these. Still like a couple days later. This is taking a long time. But we've got the first one was a very conservative cut. We went through mostly the lip and the weld. So now we're just popping the weld off. And it's just keep going.
Oh, did we get to a dead spot just right now?
Ah.
This whole time I've been popping it up with a screwdriver. It's starting to break again, but I'm just gonna run it and cut it really fast.
I'll show you the cut that I'm doing now. I'm mostly through it. So I mainly just need to cut this spot right here down a little bit more and I can start hammering it apart. But I've got it like right on the money, pretty much. There's a good spot. You can see here that there's some light through there. That's actually through the bolt holes. Because I got it so straight onto the lip flange.
Little tuna can action.
angle. Worked with this stuff before.
You literally just...
I've seen the TikTok videos where they shove like a banana in a pipe and cover over it. Is it that?
No. That's the like Chinese version.
Yeah, you gotta like squirt it, mix it, scoop it, and then apply it.
Yep, so we need like a piece of cardboard or something like this to like mix it on.
Explain what you're doing, Tyson.
We're assembling my wheels in my apartment. So I just want to get this done. Shop's closed right now.
Go.
Rear with the 5-inch lip. Fat, 10.5J. I was wrong, 5.5-inch barrels. So fronts will be 9.5J. Rears are 10.5J. You can see yourself in the lips. Yeah. You can see yourself.
What's up, man?
He's just holding the wheel. He's holding the face.
Dude, I'm just chilling here, bro. I wanted to sit down right here, and the face was in the way.
Faded with the face.
Fading with the face.
Fading with the face.
When does the plastic lipping come off? After you got the tires on?
I'm doing it after I put the tires on.
Once you put the tires on.
You take it, bro. Take it all the way.
I'll take it all the way.
Alright, there's a rear right there. Tire pressure set. Look at this. Yeah.
That's the Johnnies. Those are the Johnnies, bro.
We gotta get these. You wanna peel that off? You wanna start in this one up?
Watch this process here. This is very basic stuff. I'll let you watch it pop just because that's always interesting. Now keep in mind, these wheels are wide as fuck. They're like 9.5s in the front. There's one beat pop. There's beat pop number 2.
All right, so we got the tires on, and I didn't film the reveal yet because I needed to wash my car because it was covered in bird shit. But we're here, we're parked now, everybody's here. So here's the reveal. Fully built. 4-inch lips in the front are on. I just sprayed them down. I need to wipe them off, get all the water spots off, but they are super duper clean. 5-inch at the back, fits fucking great. No, these are rolled and pulled a little bit in the rear, and if you watch like 2 videos ago, we pulled the shit out of these front fenders, and they fit better than I thought they were. I probably didn't even need to do that, but it's all right. It fits great. It looks freaking awesome.